is how I'm doing my garden today. And if I feel like it, I might do some, cut the rest of the grass in the corner a bit later. But I'm getting ready to put rubbish in the car to bring it to the tip. But this is me. Before. This is not no 2-minute job. Hell of a job. How can I break this? I have my little screw, I'm gonna unscrew them in. It's hard work. And all of that rubbish I'm having to get rid of on my own. Because there's no way I can carry this like this to put in my car for go nowhere. All of this rubbish going to the dump. I'm gonna carry this one. Here, take that one. Try not to rub it on the floor.
Hi guys, right now we are going to put these stuff away, which is in the back.
So we're going to the dump or the tip.
Yeah, to put these stuff away because we got them from our back garden. Sorry, back garden was a mess. It was a big mess. Yeah, a big mess.
And we did it like teamwork, right?
Yeah. The big stuff my mom handled and the little stuff I handled. Because I'm little and she's big.
And you were very helpful because there were lots of little stuff.
Yeah. And I do not like it because there was so much spiders. now I know where the all the bugs were coming from. They were coming from that little corner where all the rubbish was. Because like there was so much like bugs, like you would see when you're walking.
I think I can smell that bag.
If you're looking down, then you would see like all the rubbish. So like you would see the bugs. So,
and imagine somebody wanted to charge £175 to clear it. Put the camera on the road, put the stuff in the back. £175. I sent them a picture of that and they wanted to charge £175 for something that I can do myself. So I did have this one in there, but I'm gonna take this out because it keeps breaking. And I bought this one that should be stronger. And this wasn't the proper thing anyway. It has a spring in also. This wasn't the proper thing. This was just some wire I found in the cupboard. But this one, I got this one off Amazon. Should be the proper one. So, kind of have to judge it. I don't remember. Oh, I need to wrap it all the way around. So I need to start it like this. Put it through. If I can remember.
station.
Oh no, it's a bit, this wire is thicker than the one I've used before. So it's a bit tight inside, but at least it's gone through. That's what's important. But it's way thicker than the one I've used before. So hopefully this won't break as quickly as the other ones have been breaking too quickly when I'm using it. So you wrap it around. Wrap it around. And I'm gonna put this in here to hold it. And put it in. Oh, I need these on opposite sides. So this needs to be on the opposite side away from that one. Stop it. So that needs to be that side. This needs to be, to make sure that clicks in. So it doesn't fall apart. And I'm doing it. Is it clicked? I think so. Yep. I'm gonna make sure that's measured because that has to go inside here. If it's too big, then it's going to knock onto that, so it needs to stay in here. So that's now wastage. So I need to make sure that when I do it, it's this length roughly. And then that's meant to spin and cut the grass. Because this is in the way, it doesn't give me that much spinning space. I can't make this too long because this is in the way. Stop the video. Mr. Stay back and zoom in because of your allergies, or go inside the house if you can't listen.
I'm moving. It's already very zoomed in. Looks like I'm right next to it. You hear that? Loud, it's loud, it's loud, it's loud. Look at that.
Oh.
We should have done it before and after.
A big look. Show the box. Just came from Amazon. Let's see how this is gonna do. Choo 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 choo. Woo 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 woo.
That's what happened when I was using the little one to take it off. It came off so quick.
I'm gonna put on my face shield. Your eyes look funny anyways. Let's cover up my skin. And here we go.
Stop. There's something on the side of you.
This can cut
Look,
this.
guys, there's like
Can't
a
cut
prick
it.
on the side of her.
Can't cut that. It's so tough. Woo! Woo! Gotta push it. Nice. Ugh. 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 Ugh.
You sound like when someone's trying to pick up thing like what's it called weight, and they go ugh.
Ugh. If you can't love me now, don't love me later. When my later is much greater.
Look, guys, this literal cutting so easy.
The paper. Now cut there. So I need to put it more in.
Not cutting it.
Alright, turn it off first. Almost there. Almost there. Dun, dun, dun.